But you recently been voted as the president of the organization. Tell us the name of the organization and what it does.
Yes, so that's the organization of Commonwealth Caribbean Bar Associations. That's the umbrella body for bar associations throughout the English-speaking Caribbean, from Bahamas in the north to Guyana in the south. It's a wider reach than the OECS Bar Association, of which I served as president for 2 terms. The OECS Bar Association is an umbrella body for the OECS, the Eastern Caribbean, covering from BVI in the north, BVI, Montserrat, Anguilla, Antigua, St. Kitts, St. Lucia, Dominica, St. Vincent, Grenada. And so the OCCBA is the wider body. And we had our biannual meeting in Miami at the Florida International University College of Law over the weekend, and a new executive was elected to serve the organization for the next 2 years. The other members of the executive, Donovan Walker, who is a former president of the Jamaica Bar Association, Douglas Mendez, who is the current president of the Trinidad and Tobago Bar Association. He's a senior counsel in Trinidad. So those are the 2 vice presidents. We have as secretary Deborah Burnett, the immediate past president of the Antigua Bar Association. And we also have Lorraine Glace, who is the current treasurer of the St. Lucia Bar Association, and she's also treasurer of OCCBA. Mm-hmm. And so those are the executive officers, but the council of OCCBA would consist of all the presidents of all the bar associations throughout the Commonwealth Caribbean.
What does OCCBA do?
OCCBA is the umbrella body, and what OCCBA does is promote greater access to justice, promote the rule of law, defend and promote human rights issues, and generally to ensure that the administration of justice throughout the region, not just at the local constituent bar level, that we comment appropriately in relation to the administration of justice. OCCBA, and certainly under my presidency, as I usually focus on, is a lot of public education, so not just public education locally but throughout the region, so that people can understand the justice system much better. People can understand their rights. So public education would be a crucial aspect of my presidency, and also to promote continuing legal education, much as we did at the level of the OECS Bar Association, and to basically bring the region's bars together. Recently, the OECS Bar set up a hurricane relief fund, for example, and the idea is to get funds for hurricane-affected countries and look at projects that we can contribute to positively in these countries. And even out of the Miami meeting, we have identified possible sources of funding and possible projects for hurricane relief. And as we know, we hadn't speak about hurricanes last year, but in June coming, just 3 months away, we'll be speaking about another hurricane season. Hopefully, it is not as fierce as last year. Okay. But really and truly, if you unite lawyers in the region, if you unite the lawyers, unite bars in the region, it will be so much better for the justice system. And this new executive intends to do so.
Okay, right. So